Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. York River. Coastal waters from Palmer Island to Cape Charles Lake, Virginia out 20 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m. Cold front with isolated thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Okeechobee Reef to 11 nautical miles northwest of Coleman Bridge, moving south at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The front will be near Nassau Ox Reef around 8 p.m. Mobjack Bay around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coleman Bridge around 8:20 p.m. Tuesday, Marshes Light around 8:25 p.m. Pocosin around 8:30 p.m. Burwell Bay around 8:35 p.m. James River Bridge, Hampton Flats and Hampton River Inlet around 8:50 p.m. Dominion Pier, monitor Merrimack Bridge Tunnel, Sewell's Point, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, Thimble Shoals and Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel around 8:55 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.